Hi guys, welcome back. So there is a common question in community: what is the biggest size I can fit my 100 series Land Cruiser or Lexus LX470? So Lexus LX470 or Toyota Land Cruiser from 1998 to 2002 has a rim size of 17 inches, and then from 2003 to 2007 the rim size is 18 inches. Depending on your rim size, the biggest tire you guys can use is if your car is from 2003 to 2007, you guys would be able to fit 285, 60 or 18. But if your car is from 1998 to 2002 and your rim size is 17 inches, then you guys would be able to fit 285, 65 or 17. These are the biggest size you guys can upgrade to. Anything bigger than this, it's gonna rub. And on the top of that, you guys will be able to fit the spare tire of the same size in the spare tire carrier section of the car. Also, let me show you guys the clearance. So this is not the factory size, this is a little bit upgraded size, a little bit bigger size, and you guys can see how big is there's very less gap over here. Unless you guys remove this tow bar, then maybe you guys can increase the size, but it's gonna rub in the wheel wells. But over here, this is the biggest size you guys can fit with the tow hitch. And let's suppose for some reason your car has 16-inch rims from factory, a Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series, then the biggest size for you would be 285, 70 or 16. I'm not sure if some of the 100 series came with a 16-inch rim, but if it has 16-inch rim, then you guys can fit 285, 70 or 16. If your rim size is 17 inches, 285, 65 or 17. If your rim size is 18 inch, 285, 60 or 18. I hope this helps you guys and it answers your question. And if you guys go bigger than this, then you guys need to upgrade the suspension and increase the lift the car. And this is with a factory suspension. If you guys just like factory suspension, no modification, these are the sizes of tires that you guys would be able to fit your car. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.